Good morning, dear class. Class, today we are going to start our unit 5th from our part B, that is the email messaging. So class, your email messaging includes various type of subtopics like working with calendar, schedule and appointment, how to share a calendar or how to print out your calendar. So class, before starting our new unit, there is some instructions for you. Class, day by day cases of coronavirus are increasing. So, it is your moral duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. Always use hand sanitizer. Always wear a mask. And special and the most important thing is the always maintain a social distancing. So, I hope you must follow these instructions. So, let's start with our new unit, that is the email messaging, that is the unit 5th. So here is our first topic is the working with calendars. So class, if you want to use your email messaging services, so you must have a feature of a Outlook. Now what is Outlook and where it should be opened? So class, you have to firstly click on the start button. So here is an option of search, so you can write it here, Outlook. So see here is the software, that is the Microsoft Outlook. So all the features of the email messaging must be included in the Outlook. So class, this is the front page of the Outlook, which includes the various type of features like file, edit, view, tools, etc. Now our first topic is the working with calendars. So class, in this session we will discuss the feature of Microsoft Outlook Calendar, which is an electronic version of a calendar that helps the user in time management. So class, time management is the process of scheduling and planning every event in a systematic manner, which complete control over the amount of time spent on a particular activity. So this increases our efficiency and productivity. Class, nowadays apart from the basic technique of using a pen, paper, printouts, a printing calendar is help you very much in finishing your work. So with the help of a calendar, you can manage your schedule, and there is a wide range of software available which offers you a large functioning in an organizing our schedule efficiency. So now let's study that how we can working with calendars in our Outlook. So class, here there is a feature of a calendar in Outlook. Now you can see here that today is date of 10 December and 2020. So this Outlook calendar consists of the various type of features. So according to your own appointment, you can schedule a meeting. So here you can easily see that here is a option of the calendar. So if you want to click on a calendar, see here what happened. If I am clicking on the option of calendar, here it comes the today's date. What date today is? The 10th December 2020. So class, if you want to creating a new calendar according to your own choice, so you can simply go to the home tab. Here there is a blank option occurs, that is the create a calendar. See here, you can click it here, and here is a sheet which includes a create a new blank calendar in the home tab. So here it also includes the various options like day, now week. See, it includes the week chart. See here, I have appointed a new meeting that is on Thursday, that is on 10 December. If I can talk about the month, if I click on the icon month, see here, this is a picture of a month which includes all the days of the month. So according to your own choice, you can create a calendar and you can create your own meeting. So this is the way that how you can create a calendar, or how you can see a day view, work view in the Outlook.